actually. I should probably, bear with me for 1 second. Oh. Let's just do this first hand. Right, massive unboxing. Thumbnail. Yay! Shocked face. Okay, what else? Okay. Haven't even started. I'm sweating. Hood up? Nah. Hood down, mate. Hood down. Yo, what up, hey, how you doing, guys? My name is Sanj, and today we're back with another video, and as you can see from the title, we've got a rather large unboxing. Now, I want to say I don't do them too often, which is partly true. However, as of recently, I have been going kind of ham. Whoa, sorry. So there we go. We've got 2 huge boxes. Now, if you follow me on my Instagram, you should know what they are, because I actually shared it with you boys as well as soon as I found out about it. It was an eventful day. A lot of cops were made. Now, to kill off all suspense, it is 3 pairs of boots. So if you're not into your boots, then you can just... With that being said, let's just say a huge thanks to today's video's sponsors, and that is ShopTagger. Now, if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I rave about it. In fact, one of the reasons why I was so on the ball with this sale was because of ShopTagger, so it wouldn't have happened without them. Quick little demonstration, shall we? First of all, they've updated their look to the website and their app. Link to it can be found in the description box down below, so just click on that link. As you can see right here on the top right hand corner, you get this lovely Get the Button Chrome extension that allows you to basically add a widget to your Chrome browser. And what this allows you to do, and I will showcase it to you, is to basically be able to save items on one place as a wish list that has a collection of multiple retailers. Because we did our shopping from Barneys warehouse, if we head over there, spring shoe sale for example, there we go, these white sneakers, not too shabby. You see this S widget right here that just pops up looking beautiful. Click on that, boom. You select the size that you wish. My actual true size for Calvin Klein is a 8 US or a UK 7, sorry. Click on 8 US. Obviously, it isn't currently available, and that's the beautiful thing about ShopTagger. It lets you know when something becomes available, which is how I was able to cop my LV pouch, which I did a video about already. Notify when any price change. You can either change that to 25% or 50% off your list. Again, you can add it to any list that you wish, and then boom, the product has been saved. And if we head over to my ShopTagger, boom, the item is right here. I've actually made so many cops for it, so I'm ever so thankful for them showing me love and allowing me to create content for you. With that being said, laptop gets shut. Let's move it out of the way, and then let's put box number 1. I'm gonna leave it here. Can you see any of that information? Boom. First things first, I placed 2 orders. I'm pissed about that. I emailed them asking if I can combine the orders, which would actually have saved on shipping and some of the taxes. Unfortunately, once the order is placed, supposedly you can't combine it, which is a load of BS, but it's all good, man. It's all good. Whatever, Barneys, you do your thing, man. All right, so these boots, I've had my eyes on for a very long time, and by very long, I think these first released a year ago. I don't know the exact collection. I want to say perhaps spring summer 18, but I could be completely wrong here. They were so expensive, which we've all come to expect now from Calvin Klein. I didn't bite the bullet, and rightfully so, because here we have them today. Boy, I'm excited. Yeah, we got it. There's the lid. Man. Oh my. It is so bright. You can't see, you can kind of get away with it. You can't see a single thing properly anyway. I'm gonna give you guys some B-roll because this is simply unacceptable. Wow, are these beautiful. So buff, man. So this is the dusty pink, at least that's what I'm calling them. What is it? It says pink powder powder pink, dusty pink, whatever you want to call it. Size US 8, UK 7, European 41. Calvin Klein, I stay true to size just because I sized down once, which is what I normally do with my designer boots, and they freaking killed my feet. So ever since then, I've learned my lesson and I stay true to size. Whew. Boy, are these beautiful. Pointed toe, black Cuban heel action, this beautiful dusty pink color, this leather that is extremely smooth but also a tiny bit shiny. Like, it isn't patent, but it's got a little shine to it, and I cannot wait to wear this, man, with some amazing looking trousers. I think the color is going to be so complementary with a lot of the pieces in my wardrobe. It can be worn with dark colors, it can be worn with light colors, and as you can see from the back, I don't really have any boots of this color. I know it's a very poor justification as to why I purchased these, but man, for that price, you just can't beat it, man. So sick. So those were my first pair, right? I purchased these, I was gassed, the price was already heavily reduced, and I was like, boom, Sand, you absolutely smashed it. That's a bargain. Well done, mate. Absolutely well done. You top bloke. Then the following day, and this is why Shop Tagger came in super handy for me. I've already saved a pair of boots that didn't go in the sale the first day that I purchased those, and then the following day I get an email from Shop Tagger saying that a boot that I had saved came back in stock. Went to the website, and that was when I saw the absolute madness that Barneys was holding. It was basically like a clearance stock that they were just trying to get rid of as much stock as possible. So I bought 2 more boots. I know, so stupid. Do we need 3 boots? Especially, like, do I need 3 boots? No. Do I want 3 more boots? Yeah. This box, quite a bit bigger than the other one. We've got 2 inside. Oh man, I love it when they give me wrapping paper. And I love it when they give me a box that has absolutely like, why? Why? Calvin Klein, we've had this discussion before. Well, Barneys in this instance. What are you doing? Why? This is, it's got nothing in it. Look, absolutely nothing in it. I'll take it because if I ever sell a pair of shoes or whatever, then I can sell it in this, but like, bruh, come on. Unnecessary. All this wrapping paper, take that out. And woo! Oh my god, I don't know if you're able to see that, but one of the boots was definitely bigger than the other one, which should give you a hint as to what's about to come out. Boot numero dos. We've got... Ooh, damn, boy! Beautiful wine. Let me just see. What's it say? It says cherry. Wine, burgundy, cherry boots. Boy, are they beautiful. I don't want to sound repetitive. At the same time, I don't want to sound like, it's just another pair of boots. But the truth is, it is another pair of boots, and that's all there is to it. Like, I'm super excited to add this to my collection. I'm super excited to style it, but it's the same silhouette as the previous boot, just in this cherry wine burgundy color. And once again, if we take a look around us, we're not seeing any cherry burgundy boots. Therefore, it was a must cop. It was $1,200, right? What's that in pounds, give or take? Let's just say 900 quid. 900 to £1,000. I paid 160 quid plus tax and shipping, but still 160 quid. Basically, you're paying 80% off retail. That is absolutely bonkers, and that is why Raf had to leave from Calvin. I guess people just like myself were just waiting until the sale to make their purchases, because ain't nobody dropping £1,000, $1,000 on this. Don't get me wrong, it's a beautiful boot, and for the price that I paid, absolutely must cop, but I would never think to pay full retail for this. Look at that shape. Look at that. Oof, it's so elegant. Once again, it's going to look so sick with some trousers, with some jeans. I'm gassed up. I can't wait to play around with those. Another justification that I give myself as well is the fact that I haven't shopped in quite a while. Like, I've done some little bits and pieces here and there, like going to Uniqlo and getting my basics, but I haven't done, you know, proper shopping. Like I haven't bought anything new in a while, so this felt good. Like I remember when I placed the order and I was so gassed up and I was like, yes, I miss this feeling. Last but certainly not the least, it's a bigger box, and the only boots that they do in this bigger box, and that is bigger in size as well. Can you see it? Yeah, you just caught a peek. Alright, my camera died. Basically you can kind of see the boots. But the only boot that come in the much big, oh my, woo, these are crazy. Yo, these are sick. There you go, man. I mean, there is I won't be able to wow, this is huge. It looks huge. Madness. So sick, man. Absolutely so sick. 101 Dalmatians vibe, Calvin Klein. These are their cowboy boots, same size as all the others. Real dyed calf fur, animal, cow fur, origin New Zealand, and this amazing red leather stripe to add an accent to. I actually don't have any words for these, bruh. Genuinely, I mean, I personally think they're so fucking sick, but I can definitely tell that some people are not gonna fuck with it, and that is absolutely fine. That is beautiful. If you don't like it, so be it. I just think they're so cool. Am I gonna wear these every day? No. In fact, my thought process was, when I saw these and I wanted to pick them up, was the fact that if I saw them in a vintage store, I 100% would cop them, and I wouldn't wear them every day. I'd probably bust them out every once in a while whenever the outfit calls for it. And so that was my thought process for when I saw them in a sale. Full price, once again, probably wouldn't splash out. Sale, for the price that I got these for, I think these were like 2 something, low 200s. Come on, come on, come on! Fuck yeah! These are sick, these are absolutely mad. Dalmatian cowboy boots. Let me just end this video right here. What more can I say? Calvin Klein, thank you. Low-key, it's not really thanks to Calvin Klein. Thank you, Barneys Warehouse, for holding these absolutely atrocious, amazing sale. I think they happen twice a year, and I thank you to ShopTagger for notifying me whenever they do happen. And that is how you get on the ball. I can't wait to wear these. And the fur feels insanely soft. Also, this has the now iconic metal toe cap detailing. One says CK, the other one should say 205. Yep, there we go. Wow. Just wow. Wow, wow, wow. There we go. Did we need these 3 boots? Absolutely not. Did we enjoy these 3 boots? Fat yes. I am so gassed. Like the others, yeah, they're cool. They're lovely. I'll probably get a lot more wear out of the others compared to this guy. But this one got me hyped. Like a little kid, basically. But that is that for this video. Thank you so much for watching. These will make an appearance over the next couple of videos, God knows when. If you wish to see them worn ASAP, then you should probably follow me on my Instagram, which can be found right here, Sangiev, where I shall be posting them at some point in the near future. Thank you to the wonderful people over at ShopTagger for always showing me love and partnering with me on this video. If you wish to download ShopTagger, links are in the description box down below. With that being said, have a beautiful day. Take care. Peace.